What's the meaning of continuo? Continuo. Continuo.
Continuo. Continuo. Continuo is a musical term that refers to the continuous, underlying harmonies in a piece of music. It is typically played by an instrument such as a harpsichord, lute, or organ. The continuo part provides a foundation for other instrumental or vocal parts to be played on top of it. In Baroque music, the continuo was an essential component of many compositions and was often played by an accompanying musician who would improvise the harmonies based on the written bass line. Overall, the continuo adds depth and richness to a musical performance.